Good morning, dear colleagues in Belgium. First, I would like to thank you for including me in your conference. It is a great honor to join, even if it is only via this video message, and to talk to such an exclusive audience. To give a short introduction, I'm a criminal judge of the Metropolitan Court of Budapest, and I have been working as a judge for more than 20 years. Furthermore, I am a co-founder and a member of the board of Iudicata, Judges for Social Awareness Association. The goal of our association can be summarized like this. We would like to promote and raise the legal awareness and acceptance of values of rule of law in society and to increase public confidence in the judiciary. We often organize and participate in many events where questions regarding rule of law and the independent judiciary can be discussed. I will try to answer the questions which were sent to me previously about the situation in Hungary. However, I must let you know in advance that being an active judge and a member of a judicial association, I feel only entitled to talk about the situation concerning judiciary in Hungary. The broader perspective could be seen as a political issue, commenting which I am not allowed, according to our Code of Ethics. Having said that, I do not want to comment the state of the rule of law in Hungary in general. Concerning the rule of law at courts and the situation of judiciary, I would give about 6 points out of 10, and I'm going to tell you why. In the recent years, there have been many efforts on behalf of the European community to influence the situation in Hungary. Some had their results, so I would state that the situation has been improving in a way. An act entered into force on the 1st of July last year, which was basically a smaller judicial reform in order to meet the rule of law related super milestones laid down by the European Commission and the Council. Sadly, I may not say, however, that things are going in the right direction if we are talking about the big picture. Although we now have the law which could help courts work properly and according to rule of law, reality shows sometimes otherwise. If I want to answer the question, can judges judge in independence in Hungary, in one word, that word would be rather yes than no. If I have a bit more space, my answer would be a lot more sophisticated. Let me go into details. About the appointment of judges. Applicants go through an application process in which they can gain points according mostly to objective criteria, and in the end the judicial body of the court to which they apply can give some more subjective points and rank the applicants. Normally, the applicant ranked in the first place will get the position. The president of the NOJ, which stands for National Office of Judiciary, has the right, however, to choose the applicant number 2 or number 3 with the consent of the National Judicial Council. No authority outside the judiciary, like parliament or a ministry, has a saying to this matter. Judges are officially appointed by the President of the Republic, but this is only a formality. The process of promotion is very similar. The decision of any promotion or appointing court leaders is in the hand of the President of the NOJ, but his decisions are supervised by the Council. Previously, the former President of the NOJ misused the option of closing an application procedure without result if the winner was not the one she would have chosen. But with the law changed, it is not that simple anymore, and the current President of the NOJ only uses this option if it is really necessary. About the case allocation system. Cases go to judges according to a schedule which is set and published, so I would say in theory this is an automatic system. We have to see, however, that in most cases the schedule is so complicated and there are so many possibilities to make exemptions that in reality court executives have an opportunity to influence case allocation. This is the most crucial regarding cases at the Curia, our Supreme Court, where, for example, final decisions are made in politically sensitive cases such as appeals concerning elections or referendums. Talking about the freedom of expression for judges. The general rules regarding this matter do not prohibit judges to express their views on issues affecting the administration of justice. In the practice, however, court executives do not recommend to judges to express their views or opinions on issues affecting the administration of justice, because in their opinion, any expressed view can easily have a political relevance which can cause a disciplinary procedure against a judge. For this reason, Hungarian judges are not motivated to express their views publicly on any issue. They are generally not used to contact the public in another way, but only through their judicial decisions. So public criticism of court management or law relating judiciary or any other matters are extremely rare. I would like to mention that our association have submitted an NGO communication at the Committee of Ministers concerning the execution of a judgment of the European Court of Human Rights dealing with this exact problem. The summary of the communication is that our Code of Ethics has an article concerning freedom of expression of judges, and this very article was challenged at the Constitutional Court by the President of the Supreme Court. In our opinion, this mere fact can cause a chilling effect among judges. I'm also expected to answer the question how I find the role of the European Union and the European Court of Justice in terms of safeguarding the rule of law in Hungary. I would say that these institutes play a certain and very important role in assuring rule of law in Hungary. The budgetary steps of the EU have led to the recent changes, which is already a very positive issue. I also have to note, though, that unlike in Poland, for example, the steps which can demolish judicial independence are so sophisticated in Hungary that it is almost impossible even for the European institutes to reveal and abandon them. My association has become a member of MEDEL, Magistrat Européen pour la Démocratie et la Liberté, and we really feel the compassion and understanding of European colleagues, which help us a lot. I think discussion and getting known each other's problems get us already halfway. Still, national judges in every country must step up for themselves and may not wait for others to solve their problems. To finish my message, I would warn my dear Belgian colleagues to be on alert all the time, because guaranteeing independence is not in the nature of power. We all have to guard our rights very cautiously in order to be able to grant these rights to the society. Once again, thank you for having me. I wish you an interesting and useful discussion and all the best for the future. Goodbye.